discover the great outdoors, understanding, go on a nature trip. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a beautiful phrase that invites adventure and exploration. Go on a nature trip. This expression is not just about traveling. It's about immersing yourself in the natural world. Whether you're a seasoned English language learner or just starting out, understanding this phrase can add a lovely layer to your conversational skills. Let's explore together what it means to go on a nature trip and how you can use this phrase in your everyday English. Go on a nature trip might sound simple, but it's packed with meaning. To go on something in English often refers to participating in an activity or event. A nature trip is an excursion or journey into natural environments like forests, mountains, lakes, or any place where the beauty of the outdoors is the main attraction. Combining these, go on a nature trip means to embark on a journey specifically aimed at experiencing and enjoying nature. You might wonder why people choose to go on nature trips. These adventures allow individuals to disconnect from the hustle and bustle of daily life and reconnect with the environment. They offer a chance to relax, exercise, and appreciate the beauty and serenity of the natural world. Whether it's hiking through a national park, camping under the stars, or simply taking a leisurely walk in a local forest, going on a nature trip can be a rejuvenating and enlightening experience. Now that you understand what it means to go on a nature trip, let's see how to use this phrase in conversation. You might say, "I'm planning to go on a nature trip this weekend to unwind." Or, if someone asks about your hobbies, you could respond, "I love to go on nature trips. It helps me relax and enjoy the beauty around me." This phrase can be a great addition to your English vocabulary, allowing you to share your experiences and plans with others in a meaningful way. Going on a nature trip is more than just an activity. It's an invitation to explore, appreciate, and connect with the natural world. We hope this video has inspired you to consider your next adventure and enriched your understanding of this beautiful phrase. Remember, the beauty of language learning lies in discovering new ways to express your experiences and aspirations. Thank you for joining us today, and we look forward to bringing you more insights into the English language. Happy exploring!